Hello traders, in this video I'm going to provide you the day trading strategy. I know that sometimes it's really become hard to make the profit on the 5 minute due to the quick scalping, and if you want to do the relaxed trading like making profits in a massive numbers, then follow the strategy that I'm going to promote on my YouTube channel right now. Okay, so let's go to the indicator section, and before I move ahead, let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach. I have a 1-hour coaching program. Many of my students have very good successful deals into the forex, crypto and the stock market after learning the price action, and one of the recent students has passed the funded talent challenge. I have shared its screenshot into the telegram group. You can book your session with me from the telegram book, and the link is given in the description of this video. And moreover, subscribers, if you want to join the best broker that is regulated and that offers you a variety of trading accounts that you can see on the screen with the live chat option, so no problems with the deposit and the withdrawals, so you can use this broker with a quiet ease, and the link is given in the description of this video below. Okay, now let's move towards the indicator section here, and here we need to add the two indicators. So the first indicator that I'm going to use is called linear regression. So you need to write linear regression adjusted. Okay, so when you write linear regression adjusted on trading view, that this indicator will come, that is given by the Black Cat 1402. The author name is Black Cat 1402, and only 97 traders are using it. So come and use this indicator before the numbers get exceeded on this indicator. Okay. And now we are going to the second indicator, and we will do some important settings in this indicator as well. But right now I'm going to use the second indicator, and for this I would like to write red K. Okay, so when you will write a red K on trading view, then this indicator will come by red K trader, and it is called red K directional index. Okay, KXDMI, and that indicator has instantly become editor picks, and you can see 576 numbers in front of that indicator, right? Okay, now the trading setup is attached on our screen, and now we are going to make some important adjustments inside it to make it more profitable according to our time frame. And for this you are going to use this indicator on at least the 15-minute time frame, and you will use the same settings that I am going to use in this video. Okay, now the first thing that you can see that we are going to use the period 45. Okay, so I'm going to change it to 45. So instead of that 50, I'm going to change its number to 44. Okay, the PDS should be 44, and you can see that we have a multiplier that is called 3. We will change it to 1, right? Okay, now we will press OK, and our trading setup will be ready for the good trades on this one. Okay, so do not be confused with some random signals. I will explain in this part. Okay, so the next one that we are going to red K indicator settings, and here we need to make some important settings. The DI length should be 8. Okay, the ADX smoothing should be, instead of 3, it should be 2. Okay, and the step count should be 3. And right, and then the key level, instead of 25 we are going to use 20. Okay, and then we will go into the style section, and here we are going to uncheck the plus D of DI and the minus DI, and now I press OK. Okay, so my trading setup is completely ready to trade right now. Okay, so guys, I again repeat that you should minimum the time frame that you can use is the 15-minute time frame. Do not use any time frame below that one. Okay, so if you want to still use the any time frame on the 5 minutes, so I have not researched the 5-minute settings, so you will be going to do this by yourself. Okay, so you will make some settings by your choice. Okay, now the 15-minute chart, it's very simple. As you can see that the red K index is also showing us some green and red signals, bearish and bullish, and we have some short and bull signal. You can see on the screen this moving average is providing us on the breakouts. Okay, so now talk about the entry rules. The entry rules are very simple. First of all, you will keep the main trend. So for example, if I ask the question from you, what is the trend on gold 15-minute, so you can easily draw the trend line that this is the downtrend. Okay, so at least use your common judgment, common sense while using any indicators. Now the entry rules are very simple. Once you have a short signal you will wait for the red K index to turn into the red color, and then you can go for the short position. So for example, here it turned into the red color. So for example, from here, and you also have a sell signal, you will set up the stop loss at the previous high of the market, and then you can target something like 1.5 or 1 ratio. So I personally like 1 ratio is enough, or 1.3 is also good, but sometimes it doesn't meet the 1.5 criteria. Okay, at next you have seen that you have received a buy signal, and you can see this also went successful. However, the market was closed on Friday, so definitely it will be a slow time as well, but overall you will see that this indicator will be doing wonders for you. So you can see a buy signal here, and you can see the red K index was green, and you can take that buy. You can see a profitable move, right? Okay, so the short signal, and you can see the red K turned red, you can take a down move, and again you can see that the buy signal, and you have received the green signal from the red K. So guys, this is how you can use this indicator on any market like forex, crypto, and the stock market. So for example, right now I'm on the Bitcoin 15-minute chart. So Bitcoin, you can see that the bullish breakout, and you can see a buy signal from the index, and now a short signal, and you can see this is working very well. Okay, so in that, by using this, you will be able to catch very good signals. But now look at this data. So this is the consolidation. Okay, so avoid consolidation market, because the settings that I have given you in this video is mostly for the market, that when the markets are quite stable. Okay, so if you look at here, the market is consolidation. Okay, here it has done a breakout into the upward side, then you can see the signal was buried. Okay, so do not use the indicator on any pair which is quite slow and already have a dead momentum like this. So please ignore such type of currency pairs, forex pairs, and even the crypto pairs. No, there is no need to trade. Look, this is the dead momentum. We cannot get the benefit into the dead momentum. Okay, so choose something that is really trending like this. This is the good flow. So find the flow on the chart, attach this indicator, trade it wisely, and you will be in profits, and you can make huge profits with this trading strategy. So guys, what do you think about this trading strategy? You can comment into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, and share the videos. And one more thing, that those subscribers who are willing to learn something really special, that is called price action, they can contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.